Get ready for all new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that combines modern design with essential features. It offers 5G connectivity for fast internet speed and aims to deliver a solid performance for everyday tasks. The phone got 54-point rating in the Versus website. This review is based on 6 features: design, display, chipset, battery, camera, and extras. In the design, the device got large size 7.9 mm thickness with 200 gram weight and plastic back and plastic front. Furthermore, it got IP54 rating. This phone strikes a favorable balance between weight and usability, offering a lightweight design that promotes comfortable usage. In the display part, it got 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 1080p screen resolution. The 6.7-inch size offers an expansive display that provides an impressive and engaging visual experience. In the chipset, the device provides Android 14, MediaTek Dimensity chipset, octa-core CPU and Mali G57 graphics. Powering the Galaxy A16 5G is a formidable octa-core CPU, enabling it to handle demanding tasks with ease and switch between multiple applications seamlessly. In the camera section, it got 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel macro lens with 1080p video recording and gyro EIS. The backside of Galaxy A16 5G smartphone houses a versatile multi-camera arrangement, enabling you to capture high-quality images with different focal lengths. In the battery section, Samsung got 5000 mAh battery with 25V wired charging. The lithium 5000 mAh battery gives the smartphone a good battery backup. Lithium batteries have a high energy density, allowing them to store more energy. In the extras, phone got 400K plus Antutu score and 2000 plus Geekbench score. Furthermore, it got 824 nits brightness and outstanding loudspeaker. Antutu is the best way to analyze the performance of any smartphone. Galaxy A16 5G provides a good bright screen and impressive speakers in a reasonable price tag. You can consider this device Samsung Galaxy A16 5G due to many reasons such as reasonable price, high quality display, wide viewing angles, perfect screen size, sufficient memory, large storage capacity, micro SD card support, multiple cameras, strong battery and dual SIM support. You may not consider Samsung Galaxy A16 5G due to moderated performance, only digital stabilizer, no FM radio and no headphone support. Also, the device faces lagging when you are surfing between the websites and apps. Well, that's all for today guys. See you in the next video.